Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Finance Tube. Your friend and finance guru Vishal Thakkar continuing the fun and discussion with our celebrity artist Suresh Menon. So let's see what kind of questions he has for us in this episode.
So how does one control this personal finance? Because everyone is keen to do something more. As you rightly said, actually I should also be vacationing. I think now I'm in the wrong business. I should start selling mutual funds firstly. Yeah.
Okay, we can look at that at some point. But what you need to do is you need to focus on corporate finance so that it can help you increase your income. Today we see that a lot of CFOs are becoming CEOs. We don't see that happening to procurement heads or erstwhile marketing heads or HR heads. So why don't they become CEOs? Why don't they get those big fat checks at the end of every month so that whatever they save, they can put it in mutual funds? So the idea is first to become financially savvy. Make sure that you are delivering value to your company. Take home that much money, then talk about saving, investing and growing wealth. So if you ask me, a lot of people ask me this question that where should I invest first? Should it be property? Should it be gold? Should it be mutual fund? I say invest in yourself first. Become a financially savvy person. Increase your income, then increase your saving and then create wealth.
Actually, what a brilliant point. So for example, in my profession, for me, I should become a better actor, become a bigger star, and then my income increases, and with that increased income I'm in a position to save. So basically income is all about saving, and once you develop yourself as a person, as a talent, as a whatever, you can be your best accountant in your office, you can be the best, why not best peon in your office, you can be the best Xerox operator in the office, why not? But if you do that and invest time in yourself, you tend to get more money because your managers are very happy with you. Obviously bonuses milenge, salaries बढ़ जाएगी, loans मिल जाएंगे आसानी से, and there you are.
Just to add one point to this, every job profile today in corporate world, even you as an actor, there are KRAs for you which will make you a better actor, and all those KRAs are financial parameters. So if you focus on the financial parameters of your job, you parallelly run a startup. So we always advise startups that you look at your cash flow. Two key things that a startup should look at is the cash flow every month, and second is the CEO's time, because these two things are worth their weight in gold. So if you focus on these two aspects of your startup, it's quite possible that your startup will give you a fatter check than the director or the producer of your movie.
सोचने वाली बात, time to think and lot of time to think actually.
So thank you very much, Suresh.
Thank you so much.
Joining in today, and it was real delight having you here. So ladies and gentlemen, that was Suresh Menon for all of you. And like Suresh Menon, if you have any questions, please do write to me in the comment section. If you want me to cover any specific topic on finance, I'm keen to do that for you. And the bonus here is that if you want to sit next to me and ask the questions, also do write to me in the comments. And yes, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. Finance Tube.